In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Wells Fargo login problem. So if you're having the login problem, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be incorrect credentials. So in the Wells Fargo application, simply tap on this option, forget username or password. After you do that, simply follow through the prompts in order to recover your username or password. After you do that, enter the correct credentials and your problem should be solved. If you're still not being able to log in, there might be some problem with your internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Wells Fargo application. There might be some bugs which can be fixed by a simple update. So for that, open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Wells Fargo. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Wells Fargo, tap on the option update and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Wells Fargo and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. If not, simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. Now try logging into your account and your problem will be solved. So that is how you fix Wells Fargo login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.